How to back up your data from HealthMate. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go over through quick and easy and how you can back up your data from HealthMate. Well, to back up your data from HealthMate, you can export it in CSV format from the online health dashboard or through the HealthMate app. If you're exporting it from the online dashboard, you want to access the withings HealthMate web dashboard. Then you want to proceed to login, and once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to settings. You'll find the avatar icon at towards the top right corner. Once you're logged in, you want to head into it and choose settings. If you manage multiple users, select the ones whose data you want to export and click on download my data. You'll be redirected to a page where you can download your data in CSV format. Similarly, if you want to export it from the HealthMate app, you want to launch the application on device, then navigate to the profile section. Then tap the settings icon, usually a cogwheel or gear icon in the top right corner, and then select export all health data. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.